So good morning guys, I'm shooting a wedding today and I'm going to take you guys through the process of how I shoot a wedding from start to finish. So I'm almost there, I'm heading there right now. So catch you guys and enjoy the process of shooting a wedding. Bless up. So guys, I'm at the bride room, so I'm shooting. This place is actually a little bit scattered because I'm shooting everywhere. There's a lot of stuff everywhere. This place is a little bit tight, but we're working it. So I'm sure you've seen one or two things I've been doing. So catch up with you guys soon. No wahala. So guys, we're currently at the wedding venue, the church. So we're shooting here. I'm going to give you guys some stuff. I'm going to show you one or two videos of how I shoot church. I just shoot my camera here and my speed lights on it, and I don't use any softbox or any reflector or anything in the church because I bounce the light off of the ceiling of the church. I've been inside the church. They have a white ceiling, so that will just work perfectly for me. So that's basically what I'm going to do. I bounce this off the roof, and I got my lens. I've got two lenses I'm using. I have a 50. This is a 50 here, and I have a. Let me see. You guys can see this. Okay, and I have an 18 to 55 here to alternate with. So I'm supposed to use two cameras, but they're not. My second camera is not ready for use, so I'm not going to use that. So I'm using this one camera and two lenses inside the church. I got a prime. I'm a prime guy, like I told you guys. So I wish I had another prime. I'm gonna get another one soon, maybe 25, 35, another prime that I'm gonna use for stuff like this. So let me go in and let's start shooting. I'm gonna do 1 or 2 videos so I can show you guys what the entire service looks like and stuff. So I'm talking too much. I need to go and start shooting before I get late. So catch you guys. See you in the process. See you. Okay guys, so we came to do the couple shoot. So we're doing a portrait of the groom and the bride. I don't know if you can see them behind. So I just finished my session with them and everybody, the lights not very good. Okay, so I just finished my session with them and then everybody's doing their own personal session. So we're chillers and we came to do some portraits of the official portrait of the bride and the groom that we're going to use for the book and the frames and whatever stuff we're doing. So this is chillers, so that's photographers doing their stuff. I finished my own session and catch you guys. Can we have all the guys in this?
Look at the guys.
Thor, let's guys, so I am through shooting the reception. I'm just coming from the reception. This is the reception venue. I'm sure you can hear the music in the background. And I'm almost through, just 1 or 2 couple shots and I'm home. So I'm tired, I'm really tired. This is like 4 or to 5 and I've been here since I've been out of my house since 7. So that's a whole long time. I've been standing, shooting, doing a lot of stuff. So this should be the end of the entire process. So see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you comment, and whatever thing you feel you need to say, oh, I'm needed inside, I'm needed inside, so I'll just start going inside. So make sure you hit the like button, hit the comment button and subscribe, and make sure you make a comment what you like about the entire process, what you don't like. If you have a question on how I shoot, what lenses I use, and lights, and when I use my lights, and when I use my lenses, and when I use stuff, let me know. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful time. Love you.